Today I will show how to buy shares of Citizens Inc/TX, ticker CIA, which trades on NASDAQ. Citizens Inc. TX is a publicly traded company based in Texas. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify the account, usually with an ID, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker CIA to find the stock. Make sure you select the listing that corresponds to Citizens Inc/TX on NASDAQ. On the asset page, review the company information and the price chart to confirm it is the correct stock. Verify the name, ticker, and exchange before proceeding with any order. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After the trade executes, your new position will appear in the portfolio. Soft CTA. Follow the step-by-step link in the description to see the same process on eToro.